but I don't want people playing in my eyes like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl London and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be get the look for less. We are doing the individual lashes, but they're not really individual lashes. These lashes are from Dollar Tree. You guys can see, let me bring it up closer. But yes, we got the look for $3 and I'm so excited to show you guys. This was my first time doing it, so if it's my first time and it wasn't that hard, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be able to do this as well. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl London. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. So today's video is all about lash extensions, and I'm doing the quotations because girl, these aren't lash extensions. These are Dollar Tree individual lashes that I picked up, and I wanted to see if I was able to get that same look of lash extensions because it'd be cute, but I don't want people playing in my eyes like that, you know. And I got lash extensions one time. I have allergies, I rubbed them all off, and I sleep crazy and they never lasted anyways. So I just wanted to see if we could achieve that same look with lashes that I seen at Dollar Tree. So I picked these up. This was $1, another dollar, and another dollar. So we're gonna get the look for $3. And let's go. So this isn't gonna be like a full tutorial because girl, I'm practicing. This is me doing it for the first time. So the brand is 3D Curls Full Mink Individual Lash Extensions. It looks like this. I got this from the makeup section in Dollar Tree. They have different, I don't know. They don't have different styles or names. But I just went from short to medium to the longest, and I feel like this is a little too long. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But let's just get started. First, we're gonna prep our eyes with some mascara, and you could do some wing liner, but I just don't feel like doing wing liner. So I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara, and I'm just gonna apply that because we want the lashes to blend. And this shouldn't be hard because I'm thinking it's just like in a lash strip. Like I know how to put a lash strip on, but this is new to me. And I used to put lashes under here back in high school. So we're gonna go with the shortest length, and it's this one right here. I guess the style is Ione. See, I don't know, or the brand is Ione. But let's dive right in. I've seen people put it under their lash line. Do I want to do that? I don't know. Let's try. Hopefully it's not uncomfortable. So I'm taking the shortest strip, and I'm gonna zoom in my camera a little more. I think that's how far is it going. And taking it on the eyelash. Can you see it? Taking it on a tweezer. You would need a lash glue that you like and a tweezer that you like. And we're just gonna put that on it, and I'm gonna blow. Should I do the top or should I do the bottom? Like I'm gonna do the top. I'm gonna do the top. And we're gonna just let it get tacky. And let's just see how this will come out. So I'm gonna hide that right. Did it do anything? Okay, so I have one on. One didn't really do much, but that's expected. So you could use a different lash adhesive. You could use one that's super strong. Right now I'm just using the Kiss Lash Strip Adhesive, but I know Ardell has a strong lash glue that sometimes people use for the individual lashes. But since I'm practicing, I do not want nothing stuck to my eye, girl. So, still taking the short lash, and I'm gonna apply that right next to where I just... Can you see anything? So I have two on right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh, wait. And before you touch them, you want to let them set. Because I just moved that. Okay, I'm going to take the medium one. Do I want to jump to the medium? Okay, so I'm gonna do another short lash, and then I'm gonna go in with the medium, and then I'm just gonna speed through the rest to get closer while I'm putting the lashes on. Like, can you guys see this? And this is a more natural looking lash because I can barely tell. But we're just gonna keep going. Okay. Now for my personal preference, I would go in with a thicker type of lash next time, but I got this from Dollar Tree, so you gotta do what I'm going in with the longer lash. Not sure if you can see, but I'm going in with the longer one, and let's see if it... Okay. I'm gonna do another short one. Did I even... I don't know. These kind of look the same, but we're just gonna keep going. If you're a natural girly or a natural baddie, this would be such a great option for you. And it's only $3, so that's super affordable. And you could do this at home. Okay, let's apply another one. Okay, that wasn't dry enough, so we're gonna let that dry some more. Oh no. Let's do that again. Okay, so I have that one on. I don't know, this one kind of looks weird. Maybe I need to shift it around a little bit. How does that look? Okay. Now I'm going in with the longest one. And I actually like how this looks. I'm gonna try the beauty supply store next and see if I can find a thicker lash. This is the longest one. And let's do it. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, but this lash is a big jump from like short to medium to super long at the end. I don't know how I feel about that. No. Absolutely not. Ooh, or I know what I can do. Wait, let me just apply another one and see if I like that. But next time I probably would go in with short and long and see how that looks. That would be cool. So this is before, and then we're gonna give you an after. This is kind of hard. I don't know how people put it under their eyes. Like, I don't trust myself that much. This is cute. I'm gonna just add in maybe a shorter piece because there's a little gap in there if you guys can see. This is so cute and flirty, like, what's up, love? Did I even put it in the right spot? I don't think so. Let's do this again. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. So this is what the first eye look. It's definitely cute, but this was my first attempt. So let's see if I can do the second eye better. And we're gonna just speed through this process. Okay guys, so I'm officially done with my second eye, and it actually came out cuter than the first one, but this was trial and error because I never did this before. But what do you guys think? Like, these do look like individual lashes, and it was only $3 that we spent to get this look. Like, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. And I keep looking over there, sorry. Let me look right here. But as you can see, it might be a little ragged up here because, again, my first time. But you can just put some liquid eyeliner on top of that to conceal any like mistakes that you did. But this is literally so cute. Now I'm not sure how long this is gonna last because this is regular eyelash glue that I use, but if you use a stronger lash glue, you should be fine. You probably get a couple of wears out of it, like a couple of days probably. I'm gonna test these out and then see how long these last. I don't think they're gonna last that long for me because I sleep crazy. But yeah, that's literally the final look, and this one took me at least 4 minutes to do. So super easy, super simple. Let's see. Let's zoom out real quick. I keep looking at the viewfinder. Oh, okay. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys are gonna try this. Head to your local Dollar Tree or your beauty supply store so you can find these individual lashes. We got the look for less. And if you're a bougie girl, you know, we always try to find little shortcuts. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.